Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best breathalyzers on Amazon. We can't always tell if we are good enough to drive home. Having a breathalyzer is a perfect solution to this problem. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Backtrack S80 Professional Breathalyzer. There's a reason why Backtrack's S80 Professional Breathalyzer made it to the top of this list. It's one of the most accurate personal breathalyzers available. This smart gadget delivers results in just 10 seconds and comes packed with a discreet case to protect it from prying eyes. The Backtrack Professional Breathalyzer is user-friendly thanks to its one-touch technology. The biggest benefit of this device is its impressive accuracy that's within 0.0000 to 0.4000%. It is capable of maintaining this level of accuracy even when it is used repeatedly within a short time frame. The breathalyzer features fuel cell sensors that are capable of lasting for thousands of tests. Backtrack offers a 1-year warranty with every purchase of this device. A significant drawback to this device is that it requires recalibration once a year. However, this is a small price compared to a DUI fine. In addition, at 2.3x 0.8x 4.8 inches, the body of the device is rather large. This breathalyzer is also quite pricey compared to other devices on the market. Number 2. Backtrack C6 Keychain Breathalyzer. Hang the Backtrack C6 breathalyzer on your keychain and use it to test your alcohol levels whenever you need to. It's a compact device that provides highly accurate readings on an easy-to-read display. There are 2 ways to use the device: on standalone mode or by using an app. In standalone mode, the back reading is displayed on the built-in OLED screen. When using the Backtrack app, you connect it wirelessly using Bluetooth with any smartphone, Apple or Android. If you are too tipsy to drive, you can use the breathalyzer to request an Uber directly from the app. What's interesting is that the app can estimate when your back will drop to 0. It can be used in a professional setting in clinics, hospitals, or law enforcement. Unfortunately, the app might not always work, and it might show inconsistencies at lower back levels. Number 3. Backtrack Trace Portable Breathalyzer. When looking for a good breathalyzer, it's a good idea to choose one that rivals models used by law enforcement officials or hospitals. The Trace breathalyzer is so good that it is capable of detecting tiny traces of alcohol in your system. It also has a high accuracy level up to the 3rd decimal point. This portable breathalyzer is compact enough to fit in your purse or pocket. Carrying this device is no hassle at all. After blowing into this alcohol detector, users will receive the results in no more than 15 seconds. The Backtrack Trace is supplied with AAA batteries that can last for several hours. Apart from storing information from the last 10 back results, it has adjustable warning levels. Number 4. Backtrack Element Breathalyzer. The Backtrack Element Breathalyzer is a DOT and NHTSA compliant gadget. That's largely because it uses Backtrack's DEN fuel cell sensor that guarantees professional-grade accuracy. It can be used in hospitals and clinics and by law enforcement. Operating this gadget is fairly easy since it only has one button and provides your results 10 seconds after you blow. The data is displayed on a well-lit LCD screen. It gives accurate results over a range of 0.000 to 0.400%, which is a complete range of the expected alcohol concentration in your breath. In addition, it has a compact profile and will fit in your pocket. Also, the manufacturer backs it with a 1-year warranty for repair or a complete replacement. Number 5. Isober 10 Breathalyzer. The Isober 10 Breathalyzer is a DOT NHTSA compliant professional-grade alcohol tester. It features accurate and reliable fuel cell sensor technology that's designed to last. In addition, if you have an HSA/FSA account, you qualify for reimbursement when you purchase this device. You can measure your back in seconds, and you have the option of sensing it with a smartphone app. Your back will be saved on the app, so you can track and monitor your history. When you blow into the unit, the app can take a photo and save it with your location, so you can share and verify the information with friends or family via email, text, or social media. The app is free, no subscription is required, and there is no charge for the test. The unit also has self-diagnosis system (SDS) technology that displays the sensor status whenever it detects a back, so you know it's working properly. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.